All right, what up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, another episode of the Crypto Breakdown. I'm your host, Ryan Matta. Coin of the day, Elrond, aka EGLD, aka can this coin 2x, 5x, 10x. Elrond has a lot of upcoming events, so big media attention. Most likely we're going to see some type of rally. I think we are close to bottom, and these layer ones have been like rotating. One runs up, then the next runs up, and one runs up, and the next runs up. So probably going to be time to see some type of EGLD rally in the next couple of weeks. Ready? Let's dive deep. Taking a look at EGLD, aka Elrond price predictions, we can see that Elrond currently has a circulating supply of 23 million coins out in circulation. Price point is $47. If we take the circulating supply, we times that by the price, that gives us a market cap of roughly $1.1 billion. So globally, worldwide, there's roughly $1.1 billion worth of Elrond out in circulation. Taking a look at Elrond tokenomics, if you invested in Elrond today and the price is $47 and the market cap is $1 billion, for you to 2x on that investment and for the price of Elrond to hit $94, the market cap would need to be $2 billion. 10x on that investment, $470, $10 billion. 20x on that investment, $940, $20 billion. And for you to 100x on an EGLD investment and for the price of Elrond to hit $4,700, the market cap would need to be $100 billion. So the next question you should ask yourself is, have any other big layer ones been able to do something like that? And we have seen Ethereum, $575 billion. Cardano with no smart contracts, just straight Hopium, $94 billion. Solana, $80 billion. Shiba, $41 billion. A meme coin, $41 billion. Avalanche, $30 billion. So if Elrond can start gaining traction and start getting adoption, so we're going to check out TVL. I mean, big things. I mean, there's definitely a lot of room to run with a $1 billion market cap. Easy 10x, if not 20x, I would say, going into the next bull run if people are building on their ecosystem. So the first I like to check out is Lunar Crush. Lunar Crush tracks cryptocurrencies based off of popularity. If we take a look at Elrond, we can see that Elrond altcoin ranking is a -1 right now. So it's the most popular cryptocurrency in the world today. Its social mentions are up 1.7% in the last 30 days. Dominance is up 1.7%. Contributions are up 16.9%. Shared links are up 64.2%. Spam volume's down 3.7%, and market cap is down 17%. Take a look at bullish sentiment. 9.6 are bullish, 24% is bearish. Reddit volume is up 31.6%. Medium volume is down 6.2%, and YouTube volume is down 66.7%. Now, the next site to check out is CoinMarketCal. CoinMarketCal is like your crypto event calendar. We can see that Elrond has 10 upcoming events. Their blockchain has more upcoming events than anything else. On September 30th, you have Elrond Gamify. You have Elrond Growth 2.0. You have NFT marketplaces, which are launching. You have multi-sig for DAOs. You have staking phase 4, you have Maya app 2.0, and this starts in December. So the first ones I just announced were in September, on the 30th of September. Then going into December, they have the Myra app 2.0 launching. They have leading and synthetics, and they have the Elrond conference in Q4 of 2022. And actually, there's more. Then they have the merchant yield in December of 2023, and they have on-chain governance in December of 2023. So when we talk about blockchains and we talk about ecosystem development, and I think personally, a lot of these blockchains and ecosystems day trade in Hopium. So until you actually can show me some tech on chain and I can actually visualize it and see it, and you can prove to the world, hey, here's how we scale a blockchain. Here's how we got past these issues. Here's how you can track transactions. All of the things that you really need to actually say, hey, we're a layer one, we're here and we can scale, and we prove that we can scale by achieving a $50 billion market cap without the blockchain bottlenecking and gas fees going up. So until those things all hit, you're really just trying to bet that the team is going to deliver on their promises, because if they do deliver, price is going to skyrocket. So Elrond's got a lot of promises out there, and if they start delivering on all those promises, we could see a lot of bullish momentum. And it's all still just Hopium right now until we go into the next bull run and there's thousands of people using your blockchain with no issues. It's hard to say that they can actually 100% scale. But in the meantime, it's all about hype, Hopium, and media attention. And when you got this many big upcoming events, you're probably going to get a lot of spotlights, which is going to drive price up. So I don't own any EGLD. I don't plan to own any, but I definitely think that we could see some rallies, and there's going to be some good longs and good shorting opportunities. So let's dive in. So the next site to check out is Messari. Messari makes it really easy to track things like return on investment. We can see that if you invested in Elrond 1 year ago, you'd be down 80%. 3 months ago, you'd be down 23%. 1 month ago, you'd be down 14%. 7 days ago, you'd be down 4.3%. In the last 24 hours, you'd be down 0.5%. According to Messari, EGLD put in an all-time high of $540 on November 23rd of 2021. It is currently down 91.26% from its all-time high. It is up from its cycle low of $38.21, which it hit on June 13th of 2022, and it is currently up 23.5% from its cycle low. And this is why I love layer one blockchains, because when a layer one blockchain starts making big announcements and they start making big upgrades, you don't just have that one layer one blockchain marketing, you have every project, every NFT project that's built on top of Elrond, when their NFT marketplaces start popping, this could be very exciting and very bullish news. And when you're 91% off and you have a big layer one that's going to get that much hype around it, we could see some really bullish moves. Or Bitcoin can fall off a cliff, drop by 10K, and no matter what media attention your blockchain's getting, it's going 50 to 75% off from current price point. So we do have the mother of all crashes coming, but all the signals are signaling towards rally. Like, we're bottoming out on RSI. We might get that free fall, but then I think it's going to skyrocket because people are going to be super confident that, hey, that was bottom, you know? So the next site I like to use is CoinCodex. CoinCodex uses machine learning and AI indicators to make price predictions. And they're saying that the price of Elrond in the next 5 days is going to drop down to $42.82. 1 month, they're saying $40.68. 3 months, they're saying $29.36. And then they're calling a massive rally in 6 months up to $151.66, followed by a yearly end prediction of $514. According to our current Elrond price predictions, the value of Elrond is predicted to drop by 9.27% and reach a target of $42.82 by September 28th. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is bearish, while the fear and greed index is showing extreme fear. Elrond recorded 17 out of 30 green days with an average price velocity of 4.81%. Taking a look at the internet signals, we're saying internet growth says buy, Google growth says strong buy, Facebook growth says strong buy, and mobile growth says strong buy. And we can see their 2023, 2024, and 2025 Elrond price predictions over here. Now, taking a look at the market sentiment on Elrond, oh my gosh, I don't know if I've seen one this bad. Only 7% of investors are bullish, while 93% are bearish. Based on our data from September 23rd at 13:05, the general Elrond price prediction sentiment is bearish, with only 2 technical analysis indicators signaling bullish signals and 25 signaling bearish signals. And this is where we take a look at things and go, wow, when everybody's that bearish and everybody's saying Bitcoin to 10K and it's going to fall off a cliff and all these things and all the indicators are pointing to bearish, what normally happens? We normally rally, right? So, and if they're calling for price of Elrond up to $500 in 1 year, that would mean that Elrond would have a $10 million market cap. And I think that's very realistic. I don't think we're going to get there in a year because the markets are freaking crazy bearish right now and we're going through a complete economic collapse recession. So now, the next site to check out is DeFi Llama. DeFi Llama tracks TVL, and you can think about TVL like how much people trust an ecosystem. The more people trust your bridges and the more people trust your applications, the more people trust your DeFi protocols, the more likely they are to bring their crypto over there, stake it to generate passive income. We all want to make passive income, right? But if we take a look at Elrond's TVL, we went from 1.98 billion down to 135 million. So it was like all the DeFi, all the growth was just completely sucked. I mean, it ran up there for like a couple weeks. I don't know what caused that, but then after that, it was just straight downhill. So it doesn't look like there's many people building over on the Elrond ecosystem. We've seen the Myra, I can't even say that word, whatever exchange this is over here on Elrond. So it doesn't seem like we see much ecosystem development, but I remember people were selling Elrond Ape NFTs. So I don't know whatever happened to those. I think something got hacked over there. I forget. So if we take a look at EGLD on the daily time frame, you're so much higher. You have to be printing bullish divergence, I would assume. Oh no, you're not printing bullish divergence. Okay. All right. So if we take a look at Elrond over here, I thought we were printing bullish divergence, but we're actually not printing any divergence. We have RSI and price putting in higher lows, but drastically higher lows. We did just bottom out on the daily time frame over here at 38. Now, if I were to jump over here on the 4-hour time frame, I can definitely see that price over here is putting in drastically lower lows. And if I take a look at those same assets on RSI, we can see that RSI is putting in drastically higher lows. So that is bullish divergence right there. Do I think Elrond won't come back down? I'm not really sure. So we have this key area of support on EGLD at around $38. So worst case, if we do free fall and we do come back down, we would hope that that key support would hold. Because if I jump back out on the weekly time frame and that support doesn't hold there, the only area that you might have some support would be at that $20 area. So let's hope that that $38 area holds up. I mean, worst case, I think you'll see EGLD come down to maybe $30. So you're very far off. I mean, you're 91% off. If you're going to DCA and you believe in Elrond, I would say that now is the time to start DCAing in at these levels. And I would be expecting some type of rally over the next month, big time. So based off the fib, you are below the 0.618, so definitely bearish. Most likely you're going to see EGLD probably come back down to 40 and reconfirm support at 40. But when it does, that next rally, If Elrond can rip and run, it's going to be calling for that next target up to $87. Now, because the markets are super bearish, we also see key areas of resistance here. So on the next rally, if it really started to go, where would I expect it to top out before, everybody, including myself, wants to start shorting it? I would say probably around like $87 to $98. That's where I think we'll peak out at. No matter how hype and hopium they got going on, I think you're going to come up like that. And then you're most likely will find a tie up there and then probably retrace back down to probably like $60. So rally up to 100, retrace back down. And then if the markets do continue to be bullish and people think that Bitcoin actually found bottom, well, then we can actually start talking about making that next leg up. But I think for the meantime, we're just going to trade a zone. So if you guys haven't seen my how to short crypto tutorials, we've been absolutely crushing it, just waiting for these rallies, waiting for things to break above the 4-hour time frame in RSI and just starting to scale into shorts. And we've been doing very good at it. So if you guys want to see the strategies, links are down below. So do me a favor, guys, drop some coins below. I'll be doing a $50 giveaway for anybody that can tell me where the price of Elrond will be at on October 1st of 2023. So I'm going to go back through these price prediction videos next year. And anybody that actually guessed the target right is going to win $50. We'll be doing giveaways in the live stream. So all you guys got to do is, hey, I guessed that right, whatever, come to the live streams. I'll hook you guys up. So appreciate you guys. And again, my name is Ryan Meta. I'll catch you guys in the live streams tonight. Peace.